How to connect Meta Quest 3 into PS5. Now there's going to be just a bit of progress that you need to do for you to be able to make this work. So the very first thing that you want to do is you just have to open up any app store directly from your Meta Quest 3, and you just need to download any remote play from PS, or you can just simply type in PS remote play. And once you've downloaded it, make sure that it is fully installed on your Meta Quest 3, and then you just have to head out to your PS5 controller. Now, on your Meta Quest 3, you just need to get into the Bluetooth devices and make sure that your controller is on from your PS5, and then you just have to pair it. Once you have successfully paired it, you just turn on your PS5 console. Then instead of using the Meta Quest 3 joystick, you just have to switch it into PS5 controller by pressing the share button from your PS5 controller. So that's pretty much it. It's how you connect your Meta Quest 3 into PS5.